Hi, to correctly add a photo as wallpaper on iPhone, firstly, I suggest you to go ahead and open Photos app. So right now, just find photo you want to set as your wallpaper and then click on those three lines icon for editing. Here, I suggest you to apply auto correction for automatic color correction, and it will enhance colors as well as add some saturation, sharpness, and basically this is to simply get better photo quality. So you can tap on it to check original and then check result. Now let's click done. And now I want you to click on this share icon, scroll a bit down and choose to use as wallpaper. After that, you can adjust it, of course. You can change font and color, you can add widgets. Here you can add controls. You can also simply switch to different style. And if you want to set this wallpaper, just click add. And after that, you got two options. Set as pair, so on your lock screen and home screen, or set only for lock screen and additionally customize home screen. If you decide to customize home screen, then you can blur current background or not. You can go ahead and choose any color from the palette, as well as gradient, like that. Or you can click on this photos icon and choose different photo for your home screen. Then don't forget to click down button 2 times, and this is the result. So that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.